Exposing the secret to a healthier gut in just a few easy breakfast swaps. Stay tuned to make your mornings gut-friendly. Say goodbye to those gut-busting breakfast foods. Instead of refined grains like white bread or rice, go for whole grains. Think whole wheat bread, brown rice, or quinoa. Swap out sugary cereals for plain Greek yogurt topped with berries and nuts. Processed meats? Try eggs or a tofu scramble loaded with veggies. Ditch the fried foods and opt for oatmeal, smoothies, or whole grain pancakes. And sugary drinks? Switch to water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. Want to level up your gut game? Incorporate probiotics like yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods such as kimchi or sauerkraut. Don't forget prebiotics, foods like asparagus, garlic, and onions that feed your beneficial gut bacteria. Chew thoroughly and eat mindfully, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. And always stay hydrated with plenty of water throughout the day. By making these simple swaps and following these easy tips, you'll support a healthy gut microbiome and boost your overall digestive health. Happy breakfasting!